Students, welcome to RP class. Let's see the problem. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So what they have given, first we need to draw a circle of radius 3 cm, right? So take a scale. So using compass, we have to take a 3 cm. Okay, 3 cm radius. We need to do a circle first. So I done a circle. Okay, we completed a circle. Then next, read the question. We have to choose a two external point. In the construction, we have to choose two external point. P and Q are the two external point. The external point distance is 7 cm from the center. So now this is a center. Center from the center we have to choose 7 cm both sides. See, this is a diameter of the. This is a diameter, right? See, suppose. Okay, this is the diameter of the circle. How we will get this P and Q? We have to extend the diameter. We have to extend the diameter from the center 7 cm. If you extend, we will get to P and here we will get to Q, right? So from the center 7 cm. From the center 7 cm this side. So we will get a external point P. Same thing from the center, again we have to extend 7 cm. We have to extend 7 cm. From the center we have to extend one more 7 cm. So we will get the another external point Q. So now we got the two external point. P and Q are the two external point. Now we have to draw the tangent from the point P and Q. From P we will get a 2 tangent. From Q also we will get a 2 tangent. Totally we will get 4 tangent, right? Why 4 tangent? Each external point we can draw 2 tangents. So here 2 external points are there. So we will get a 4 tangent, right? So how to draw a tangent? First we have to bisect this OP. How to do a tangent? First we have to bisect this OP. Then also we have to bisect this OQ. First I am going to bisect this OP. How to do the perpendicular bisector? More than half of OP we have to take. More than half mean 7 cm OP, right? More than half. Half means I think 3.5. More than mean you can take 4 or 5. You can take. So both side you can cut. Okay, now using scale, we have to join, right? So where the perpendicular is intersect, so this point is I am taking M. So now what we need to do? M is the center, and P is the radius. M is the center and MP is the radius. We need to do the circle. M is the center and MP is the radius. We need to do a circle, right? Okay, I completed the circle. Now where the two circles are intersect, this point I am taking A and here I am taking B. A and B. So next what we need to do? Using scale, we have to join this PA and we have to join this PB. The next same thing. Now from the external point P, we draw a 2 tangent. The same method from the external point Q, we have to draw another 2 tangent. How to draw? First we have to bisect. We have to do the perpendicular bisector of OQ. How to do? More than half of OQ we have to choose and both side we have to cut. Then using scale we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So where the perpendicular bisector is intersect, that point I am taking M dash. So now M dash is the center and M dash Q is the radius. M dash is the center and M dash Q is the radius. We need to do another circle. We have to do another circle where the two circles are intersect. See, the two circles are intersect. No, this point I am taking C and here I am taking D. You can give any alphabet, okay? So here I am taking C and here D. Now what we need to do? Using scale, we have to join this C, Q and C, D we have to join. Now we got another 2 tangents. So totally how many tangents are there in the construction? 4 tangents. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 4 tangent? Because we know that each external point we can draw 2 tangents. Here 2 external points are there. That's why we got 4 tangents. So we have to conclude. Therefore the tangents are tangents are PA, PB, CQ and DQ and DQ. So these 4 are the tangents of the given circle. Thank you, students.